So how do you find out what customers want when they call? Let's look at some questions you can ask your customer to begin categorizing their need. Remember to start general and get more specific with each successive question. Some opening question examples are, how may I assist you today? What brings you to our office today? Or, how may I help you? These questions give the customer a way to describe their need in their own way. You can ask for specifics once they've had an opportunity to speak. Customers' responses to your initial offer to help can vary immensely and may not always be clear. As soon as a customer offers a response, try to mentally categorize it into the 3 reasons people typically call. Remember, those are to request a new product or service, get answers about an existing product or service, or to ask about their bill. To make sure you understand why the customer is calling, restate the reason for the call in your own words, and then ask the customer if what you said is correct. Also ask if there's anything else they'd like to add. Now that you understand why the customer called, remember you have an opportunity to not only meet this need, but exceed it by providing them with more than they originally requested. Keep this thought in your mind so you can begin to think of offerings that would please your customer and provide new sales for your company.